Video, I'll show you how we can create one dialog in Android. So we have this basic app. It has one button. So if I click on this button, then I'll show one dialog. To create one dialog, the first thing we need to do, we need to create one class. So let me select this class. Suppose the name of the class is custom dialog, and we need to implement it from this. We need to extend it from this dialog fragment class, and also we need to override one method. It's called on create dialog. So inside this on create dialog, we'll create our dialog that we want to show, and from this main activity we can simply call this. We can create one custom dialog, then we can call this show method to show it. Here first thing I'm gonna check, so this get activity, this is we have this value or not. If we have this value, then we'll show the dialog, and if it is not, then we'll throw one illegal state exception. This activity is null. So here we need to return the dialog. So you can see that this method is used to return a dialog. So here the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create one builder. So suppose the name of this alert builder. So for that we can use this alert dialog dot builder, this method, and to this method, this builder method, we need to pass the activity, that is fragment activity. Now if we in this alert builder class, if we call this create, then it will create one dialog. Okay, I need to import it. Let me import it. And here in the main activity, here the first thing we need to pass the supported fragment manager, one fragment manager, and also we can add one tag for this. Now if I restart the app, that is restarted. Now if I'm clicking on this button, then you can see that something is showing here. That is the dialog, but we don't have any body of this dialog. So we can also give one title. So we can use this set title. So suppose the title is hello, and we can also give the message. This is a message body. Let me give one message: hello world, click on a button below. Then we can also give buttons in a dialog. So for that we can give three types of buttons. One is called positive, one is negative, and one is called neutral button. So let me add one positive button here. The first thing we need to add the text that we want to show in the button, and the second is the listener of the button. So for that we need to use this dialog interface dot on click listener. So here we get the dialog and this ID reference. So let me print something here. I'm using log to print it. Suppose the tag is custom log, and here we can add some text. Okay, pressed. Similarly, we can add one negative button and also one neutral button. Okay, I need to import this log. Now I can use one negative button. So for the negative button, I can use one cancel. Suppose it is cancel. Then here I'm using cancel press, and for this neutral button, I'm gonna add the text as dismiss. So the custom log, I'm gonna use it as dismiss pressed. Okay, now let me restart the app. We can check these logs in this logget window. So here you need to add the tag that we are using it here. So it is custom log. So once it is started, then if I'm clicking on it, then you can see that the title is here. There is this message is here, and we have three buttons: OK, cancel, and dismiss. If I click on any button, then let me try it again. On this OK, then you can see that it is pressing OK pressed. Similarly, if I'm clicking on this cancel, then it is showing cancel pressed, and if I'm clicking on this dismiss, then it's showing dismiss pressed. So that's all for now. So if you like this video, please like and please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, please drop one comment below. Okay, bye.